Hi, so today we're going to be drawing a yin yang. So first we're going to do some neat round circles near the edges here, and we're actually going to do a semicircle for this one. Okay, so we're going to start with this one. This is going to be the sun, so we're going to do some short ones, then a long one, long stick, and short stick, and a long stick. Then we're going to carry that on all the way until we reach the same position this one is on this side. Good, so now then we're going to draw a faint line here. You can even draw ripples. Then we're going to draw an upside down semicircle, and then a circle on top, and then a stick, like a flag. It basically is a flag. And then we're going to draw some palm trees coming out. So we're basically gonna, that's also like a semicircle. And then so we're going to draw 4 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. If it helps, you can just make it look like triangles and then rub that out afterwards. Then we draw a dot in the middle, and a line coming out there, a line coming out there, a line coming out there, and a line coming out here. Then we're going to draw almost like hair coming out. It may look weird now, but once you start colouring it in, it will be better. Then some lines. And you repeat the same thing over here. And it may not be enough space, so we just carry on as if you're going to go through it, but not actually drawing. So then you can see where the edge is and where you need to start. Right, and then that side's good, so you can start colouring it in. So in the middle, you're going to go like red. Then orange. And then finally yellow. Now I know you can't really see the red because that orange was almost the same colour into the red, so it blended in. Then you're going to use this colour. It's like a sort of yellow, sort of orange in between. Then you can colour in the water any shade of blue. I'm going to do it this shade. Then you're going to get a black and draw like 2 semicircles joined together as if it was birds, which it's going to be there. Then you can do, let's go with dark green, almost as if it's a forest colour. There. And then if you want, you can do a light brown, or you can colour in with a shade of green and a shade of peach. I'm going to do it with a brown shade because I don't have a peach. And also it looks a bit more realistic. So then the red, the red, and this brown, a brown. You can even make that there. This brown's a bit red and black. Then you've completed the first side. If you want, you can go with a different shade of blue and colour it in as if it's the sky, but I'm not going to do that. Then the second side is going to be a nighttime scene. So we're going to go with, that is going to be the moon. Then you're just going to do some triangles, 3 triangles and slopes for the mountain. Then a line down here, a line down here, a line up here, a line down there, a line up here and a line there. So then that's the mountains. Then we're going to draw some trees. So it's almost like as if it's just lots of little triangles like you did over here. There. So that's the trees. You can colour them in, but you might want to use a black marker to do the outline, otherwise it looks like it's just one tree. Now we're going to get a yellow and draw it like a cross. Lots of crosses over here. And then you're going to do, it's basically like a star and one line here. You can do it as dots as well, like that. I think I'm going to stick with dots. There. And then you can get your pencil and leave that bit white. Or you can then you shade in the moon. You can shade that white bit in with a more lighter shade, or you can just leave it white. Now if you wanted, you could shade in the background black. It might take some time to get around the stars, but yeah, it should be okay. I'm not going to shade around the stars because I might not get it round the stars properly. If you want, you can start again up and do more trees until it gets to the end. Or just leave it like that. And then you finish making your yin yang. Bye.